Hi Amol, I'll begin with this. You are no stranger to romantic roles or characters of this sort. What did you find most exciting or interesting about how Save the Date was written, and also how your and Radhika's characters were envisioned?
I mean, I think I'm a little stranger to romantic roles specifically. I remember like out and out rom-com
Huh,
wala nahi gaya. Like I've done maybe some
right.
relationship-based characters or stories and shows, but this is an out and out rom-com as they call it, I think, and that is what I found exciting. It's like sweet and slightly mushy and maybe a little breezy. There's some uh, bit of conflict between the characters, bittersweet conversations. So I think that was something that we've all grown up on, and we've all
Hmm.
starry-eyedly watched all these films and watched all these love stories unfold on screen. And when you get to be in one, I think it's always a good feeling. कि हाँ मैं भी थोड़ा रोमांस रोम कॉम करूंगा थोड़ा अच्छा सुंदर दिखेंगे गाड़ी में चलाते हुए so I think that was something as a format I really wanted to do, and I'm glad I got to do this. And it turned out to be a good story, and got a chance to work with good people on it. I think that was just like everything fell together very well.
Right. On that note, I have to ask you, how wonderful was it driving around in that Impala convertible in Goa in that blue suit? It was just lovely to just see. And we've
Yeah,
all been stuck at home, and I have not been to Goa in 2 years. And I was just halfway, envious of just seeing you guys roam around and have such a wonderful
yeah,
time.
yeah. That's
How was
that's
it?
the
Yeah.
point. That's the point. We made this show, I think, to make people feel envious about their lives. They're like, oh, why am I not having these meet cute moments with people, and why am I not in these beautiful locations? I think वही है. हमने लोगों को जलाने के लिए बनाया है शो. तो मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया. मैं बता देता हूँ आपको जलाने के लिए कि वो गाड़ी चला के बहुत मजा आया because I haven't. I think I haven't really driven something like that. You've seen this in movies, or sometimes once in a while you see a car like that and like, अरे यार ये चलाने में कभी मजा आएगा. But कभी मैंने चलाया नहीं था. Of course, it takes some getting used to. I
Hmm.
had to do more rehearsals with the car than I had to with Radhika, because that was the trickier co-actor, the car. कि भाई ये और ये मेरे को ही चलाना है, ऐसा भी नहीं है कि किसी को चलाना चलाना भी है, साथ में एक्टिंग भी करनी है, साथ में डायलॉग्स भी है, साथ में ये भी हो. I was it's not like it's yeah, that romance took time.
Right. Right.
That took us. We had to spend some time together on our own before the shoot. We were given some time to find our chemistry. Me and the car. You go for a walk with her. Please get used to her. Let her get used to you. So that happened. But eventually, yeah. I mean, given all the rehearsals and the getting used to the car and left hand drive और चलाना भी है और it's वो हो गया. It was fun, and I know it's going to look uh, beautiful on screen. You know that eventually because you already
Right.
know how good it's looking. Sitting in it, feeling you can feel it. Yeah, ये मैं envy दे रहा हूँ और ज्यादा.
I will tell you this: your character Jay, he has a very practical outlook towards life and relationships, marriage. There's a funny detail where Radhika tells him, "Yeah, you enjoy the view of the backwaters," and he goes like, "ये तो रोज का है मेरा." Like someone's gotten used to all the
Hmm.
magic around him. How
Hmm.
close or far are you, from a person like that, who views, let's say,
I
marriage or
mean,
relationship like that?
I believe I believe we are both. I think all of us are both Jay and Avani on different days and or depending on uh, how positive we are feeling about love and relationships. Because I think there is a part of us which feels very hopeful on certain days, which feels all the mushy feeling, which believes in this idea कि हाँ मैं प्यार करूँगा हमेशा हमेशा का प्यार होगा ऐसा होगा. And maybe on other days, and I see this in a lot of like, young people. These just on some days they're like, no, this is not for me. ये नहीं है. And what is this forever thing? And सब ऐसा ही है. And it's all temporary and it doesn't last. So I think it is, and that is what the beauty of the script is. and those characters and this story in particular is that maybe it's not very easy to take sides about who is right and who is wrong. Okay, the one is slightly more hopeful than the other, and you can say let's at least be hopeful and not be pessimistic. But logically, you know that both make sense. It's not like one is making less sense in the purest sense of the way than the other. So I think वो मेरे अंदर भी दोनों हैं. I've had days where I think yeah, love and mushy and feeling and मोहब्बत. And on some days like हाँ ठीक है अभी feel हो रहा है पता नहीं कब तक feel होगा कब तक चलेगा. ऐसा है. So those ideas of eternal love and romance that probably we grow up with, that eventually I think you find your own version of it. कि भाई मैं क्या है practically मेरे लिए क्या work करता है. So I think at this point in my life I am somewhere in the middle where I am not going to kill for the idea of love also कि नहीं यहाँ प्यार ही है सब और वही होता है. But at the same time I will also allow myself if some feelings are coming, so I will not like stop myself कि अरे मत पढ़ो ये सब में ये सब तो बहुत ये खतरनाक चीज है. Because that is also I mean that is also not living fully. अब अगर हो रहा है और feelings आ रहे हैं और कुछ thoughts आ रहे हैं then at least acknowledge, like I tell myself to not reject it कि नहीं मैं I'm not getting into this. But if it happens, if somebody is able to spark those feelings in you, I'd please let it happen. I'll not fight it.
You and Radhika, you guys have done some wonderful sort of magical lighting, shoot throughout this, and someone who knows photography would be, it's a scary thing because once you lose the light, you lose the charm of the scene. So I'm guessing was it always very on your toes, to get a shot or get a scene right? Because
little bit. I think a little bit with certain scenes because I think certain scenes Ruchir had in mind how he wanted to shoot and probably the schedule was made that way. And also, when you're shooting a travel thing, it's not very easy to predict कि भाई हम 2 बजे यहाँ से निकलेंगे 3 बजे वहाँ पहुँचेंगे 3 से 4 वो करेंगे, because the whole setup is moving and I've done this a lot. I've done moving stories so I know how crazy it can get because there are so many things, variables that can go wrong. I think first day of shoot only, first scene where we were shooting, there was some we had to move suddenly, we had to change location, and this is like the first scene you're shooting, so you're already lost 2 hours of planning, and then you are spending the rest of the 4 days catching up. Time cover. So I think there are moments when this happens, but since I've done this before, I know not to involve yourself in it. So it might feel very insensitive. It might feel like these actors don't give a shit about what other people are going through. But you can't also beyond a point. Because you can't let yourself get emotionally involved in the chaos. Because eventually when the camera rolls, you have to be in character, you have to be either happy, sad, or whatever the scene is. So if you get if your emotions are also invested in कि उसके लिए लोग हैं, कर रहे हैं अपना काम, you make sure that you are ready for when, as soon as the camera rolls, you are ready. You're not wasting time because everybody's short on time. So I think as an actor, my learning is कि as much as your humanity exists कि हाँ मुझे बुरा लग रहा है सब लोग बहुत स्ट्रेस में हैं, but मैं स्ट्रेस में नहीं जा सकता हूँ. I will be dissociated. I will be here. I'll be slightly detached from this feeling of time stress. So I think so I saw it. There were moments, and it happens at every shoot. No, in our magic light भी छोड़ो, normal shoot में ज़्यादा अरे वो है time नहीं है 10 मिनट बचे हैं light जा रही है. So it's a very 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 normal shoot thing to happen. Time light जा रही है.
Aman, and mean this as a compliment. You've been around for long right now. It's been over 10 years. And yet there are people who, even if they've seen your work, would identify you as still as a newcomer or, use adjectives like, the fresh-faced Aman Parashar and things like that. Does this amuse you? I think it's got a lot to do with how you look.
And I'm not getting out of my freshness. I think I take it as a good thing only. Fresh is better than stale.
Right.
You just start saying, "Oh, the same old face, Amol Parashar is back with another show." I think that will make me slightly disappointed. कि अच्छा लोग bore हो गए यार मुझसे शायद. But fresh है also. I believe, and it's very interesting. I think in my case that not everybody knows everything I've done, which is very interesting. I've done a lot of theater, a lot of ads. Some people know me from specific ads. Some people know me from one show that I've done on one platform or one film. Like somebody knows me as Osman from Dolly Kitty. Somebody knows me as Chitwan. Somebody maybe will know me as Jay only. They'll suddenly discover me and say, "Ye kaun hai?" And then for them, I'll be a new person. And rest of it is probably what they will discover or not discover also. So my whole body of work, I think, is very difficult to get hold of. But I've made myself not feel bad about it, but feel proud of it कि मैंने इतना variety का काम किया है कि लोगों को पता ही नहीं है सब एक ही आदमी है कि उस ad में भी यही था, इस फिल्म में भी यही है, इस शो में भी यही है, इसमें भी यही है. अरे सूट पहन के जय भी यही बना है और डिलीवरी बॉय उस्मान भी यही बना है. I think that's something I tell myself to take as a compliment. कि इनको पता ही नहीं है कि ये दोनों वो सेम ही आदमी है. So I think which is what lends itself to that fresh face syndrome, as you're calling it, because it just feels new to people, I guess. And I like that feeling. It feels like there is a hopeful feeling. यार ये कुछ तो fresh आदमी कुछ fresh करेगा. I guess that's the interpretation I'm taking out of the situation. So yeah, I mean, I'm okay to be a fresh face for 10 more years.
That's fine. Amal, on that note, what's happening next? What have you been working on? Anything you can share?
Yeah, we have not been able to shoot much because of the last 1.5 years how it's been. I'd shot this. I'd shot a brief travel show which was already out as a Discovery. Then I'd shot for Shoot Sir's film, Shudham Singh. I'm playing Bhagat Singh in that. I mean, I don't even know how that happened to me. And that's amazing. Like, I could never imagine if 2 years ago somebody told me that somebody will cast me as because there's a certain screen image.
Yeah. But it also makes sense. It also makes sense because of his early photos and the kind of timeline that they're going for. I think somewhere also makes sense. Yeah, the cinema image of it is kind of different.
Maybe because it made sense to me when I met them. It made sense to me when I met them. It made sense to me when I saw myself on the camera, and that was amazing to me. I was impressed not by myself but by his vision or the team's vision. That they maybe saw me or they saw some photographs or they saw something and they were like, yeah, this is very interesting to me. Because when I saw eventually what they had in mind and how we were executing it, I was like, it would have been difficult for me to imagine this. But kudos to that vision. So that happened. That probably is. I mean, I would ask you, कि भाई आपको कुछ पता है क्या हो रहा है? So that I guess will come out this year or early next year. There's another film that I shot with Vishesh Films, which is a comedy, which is very unlike Vishesh, which was supposed to be my first out and out film lead thing, which again because of the situation, that doesn't happen with theaters are not open. So let's see, maybe we'll have one of the OTT releases of that film. So I don't know what's happening exactly, but I guess that's what I think will happen now.
Great. Thank you so much, Amal. I love the chat. All the best for Feels Like It. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.